Leaks about the Made by Google event continue, with someone recently getting hands-on experience with the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro XL. A TikTok user named Pixiphone via YTechB shared two videos showcasing the pre-release hardware. The videos show etchings on the rear panel, which Google uses to identify prototype units, but the presence of the G logo suggests the hardware is nearly finalized. A sticker or label covers the pattern. The comparison reveals that the smaller Pixel 9 has a glossy rear panel, while the 9 Pro XL features a matte finish that is less prone to fingerprints. Interestingly, the flat side rails are reversed between the two models, resulting in a shiny perimeter for the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which is quite noticeable and somewhat unfortunate. On these units, the regulatory markings are located on the left edge near the bottom. Pixel phones in the US have lacked these markers for several generations, except for the Pixel Fold. It's unclear if this design is specific to the prototype units, as the etchings also appear on the back, or if it represents the final international look. There is a noticeable size difference between the anticipated 6.24-inch screen on the Pixel 9 and the 6.73-inch screen on the Pixel 9 Pro XL, though it's not too drastic. The Pixel 9 Pro is rumored to have a 6.34-inch screen. A second video compares the Pixel 9 Pro XL to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which has a 6.8-inch screen. The shots offer a clear view of the thickness of the camera bar on the Pixel 9 Pro XL.